Are your apps not working because of the Golang library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. I recommend the automated system scan for Golang library to finish your setup in seconds. This DLL file is a runtime library associated with applications developed using the Go programming language. It contains foundational routines for memory management and concurrency required for Go-based software to run on Windows. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue indicates a structural problem within the local parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error. Installation. Reinstall the latest version of the application from the official site to restore the Golang library DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Golang library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A vital technical reminder: modifying the Golang library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for the Golang library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the Golang library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support